What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be getting all the wiring and stuff out of the engine bay, get everything ready to be power washed, and depending on how long that takes, we may even power wash it today. Okay, so I'll take the headlights off. I just wanted to put them on to make sure that in the core support everything is good, and then I'm going to have to take these brackets off that were for the motors, because I think I'm going to get my intercooler to sit up here, get one of the thinner ones and have it sit up there. Because I think that's the only way it's going to work. Once Street Faction bash bar comes though, then I could start mocking everything up, but until then I can't, and that's not supposed to come until the end of August, so that's awesome. But here's the engine harness right here. We're going to pull that out. Here is the harness that's for like the accessories, all the lights and stuff, and we're going to take that out as well, but we're going to save that, but we're going to get rid of the engine harness. I'll throw it back there with the motor that's just chilling back there, because with this we're gonna do this all over. We're gonna completely redo it. Alright, so I've got a fuse box coming in because I'm gonna be making my own, all the wiring and everything I'm gonna do on my own, and then from there I still have to get things like relays. I have to get some of those for, there's not a whole lot of things that need relays, but the fans need them, the wiper motors need them, a few other things here and there need them. And I might put like one or two extra just in case in the future I want to add something that needs a relay. I can just tap into the existing thing, you know, so it's just make life easier. Apart from that, I've also got a disconnect switch coming for the battery. I'm gonna have that between the battery power and you know, the fuse box and the harness and all that fun stuff. So we're just gonna dive on in and start taking the electronics out. Okay guys, so we have made some progress. We've got the harness completely out of this side. It's over here, this mess. I don't know if I'm gonna get it out from the cabin yet. We'll see, maybe not. Not today. I want to get this out and then get all the stuff out of the engine bay that doesn't need to be there. And then we might end up power washing it. Maybe. We'll see. Okay guys, so this is a way bigger job than I expected it to be. Yeah, we've got that harness there. It's got the main fuse box down there, and then the little white box that controlled like the dash, the cluster, and all that cool stuff. And over here is the harness that went into the engine bay. And I got that out, but it took quite a while. The engine harness is still in, not that you can see it. It's still in there. I'm getting close to getting out. Once I get that out, I'm gonna call it a night. But for here, I'm gonna have to end up taking my seat out because it looks like it's running that way, and I know there's the plug for the seatbelt that I don't have plugged in anymore because I have the harnesses. I don't use the seatbelt anymore, and it doesn't really do anything because it sits above the seat and you sit way below it, so it wouldn't even help anyways. But yeah, that harness runs to the back and it does like these guys, the tail lights, the trunk lights, all that fun stuff, the license plate lights. I don't know if we're gonna redo the entire back. We may not. I'm not sure yet. But for sure redoing the interior, for sure redoing the engine bay. We'll see how those go and then decide on whether or not we want to redo the back, because it shouldn't be too complicated to do the rear. So I don't have the hatch that has the rear wiper, so that's not a big issue. This antenna I'm gonna delete later on when it comes time to, I'm gonna get over fenders, so I'll delete it then. So yeah, the interior looks a lot cleaner. I'm just trying to get out all that stuff, the climate control and everything, because that's just gonna be gone. We don't need that because race car. And then I'll eventually take out the stuff in the center console, redo that, Don't need the seatbelt computer anymore because I deleted the seatbelts when I put the cage in. So yeah, and they didn't work anyway. So but yeah, so I'm gonna continue with this, and I'll update you guys when I get the engine harness out. Oh my god, dude, this has been quite the night. Got the engine harness out. Not gonna fuck with it. I'll just give it away when I throw the motor, or sell the motor. The little guy just chilling back there, way back there. We finally have a wireless engine bay, apart from this ground wire. But yeah, so we shall pick things up tomorrow. I actually got a lot more done than I expected to. I got pretty much the entire dash, or where the dash goes. I got that area entirely cleaned out, which is good. That's progress. It's progress. So I'm gonna end up painting this. I'm gonna sand it down and paint it, and then end up building the dash off of that. But the dash building can wait. There's a lot of room up here. Like, there really is. Without a dash or anything, like there's a lot of room between the seat. Like, look at that. That's a lot of room. I could throw another seat there if I had no windshield. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop it here. We got quite a lot done today. We got way more done than I expected to get done. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'm gonna clean up, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Just leave a like if you did, and comment down below. Let me know what color I should paint the engine bay. That's still up for suggestion. Still trying to figure out. I'm going back and forth between a couple things, but I'd like to know what you guys think it should be. And then hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.